Before we start this video, I would like to say that I'm not sponsored by the Woobles nor Sanrio to review this product. Nor am I being paid by the Woobles or Sanrio to review this product. All opinions are my own. Hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And today in this video, I'm going to do another Woobles review. Before I get started, I would like to say I'm not sponsored, nor am I being paid by the Woobles to review this product. All opinions are my own. So today's review is going to be on the Melody Woobles Kit from the Woobles. So I'll link the kit down below. Like I said, I got this in a set of Sanrio characters for Christmas, and I hadn't gone around to doing it till now. So I'm really happy, and she came out so cute. Look how cute she came out. I had so much fun with this kit. I actually got it done in like a day. It was really easy. Great for beginners. All the instructions turned out really simple, and I just really enjoyed it. And I love Hello Kitty and my Melody. And I just love the way she turned out. And also she's a bunny rabbit, and bunnies are my favorite animal if you guys didn't know. So if you look at my bookshelf, you see I have a My Melody bunny right there. My sister got me that one, so it's really, really cute, and I love Sanrio. So I'm very excited that I got to do this kit, and I'm happy I finally got around to doing it because I'm so happy. She turned out really, really cute, and I just had so much fun making her. And she's just adorable. So I would recommend the My Melody Sanrio kit, which I forgot to mention. I'll link the kit down below so you guys can take a look. I would recommend this kit to anybody who loves Hello Kitty because this is from the Sanrio collection. And I would recommend this to anybody who is new to crochet because this was like the easiest crochet project I've had. And it does have some different stitches, like it teaches you different stitches. But if you are skilled at crochet, you can follow this pattern still. So the only mistake was I accidentally sewed right here by my bad. But this still was really fun, and I really liked it. So I would highly recommend this kit to anybody who is a beginner to crochet because it's mostly single crochet, which is a great beginner stitch. And it does have like some different stitches, like some double crochet and stuff, which is a little bit more advanced, but the video is super helpful and it will teach you really well how to crochet. So that was my review on My Melody by the Woobles. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by the Woobles nor Sanrio, nor am I being paid by the Woobles or Sanrio to review this product. All opinions are my own. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I'll see you in another video soon.